Last question goes out to the whole group. I think I know the answer to this question, but I'm going to ask it anyway. Advantages versus disadvantages. Would you say the advantages of software as a service outweigh the disadvantages that we've talked about? And when I say disadvantages, the concerns, the security concerns, the other types of issues. And I'll go around the table. I'll start with Carolyn.
I think absolutely. I mean, there have always been disadvantages. There have always been risks. I mean, we saw after 9/11, all of the files that sat on computers within the towers were destroyed. So I think the advantages in terms of cost, in terms of increased reliability, and then finally, in terms of bringing more solo and small firms on board with practice management is going to inure to their benefit and also to their clients.
Bob?
I don't think lawyers should have any reluctance about using SaaS. I think whether it's right for them is going to kind of depend on the nature of the practice, whether a desktop application works just as well. But I think they should have no reluctance about it, and I use them, and I think they're great. So,
last words, Andy.
Like everybody said, it's an individual issue. Both within the firm and the lawyer within the firm too. You have to realize too, we're talking about SaaS, and we've also thrown in there's desktop applications. One of the things that we should probably spend a little more time on, but we don't have time to do this, is to realize that if you are using a SaaS environment, you're still using a desktop computer. You're still going to have desktop applications. So getting rid of the idea of totally getting rid of IT within your firm, I don't really think that's a realistic argument. I do think that there are definite benefits. I don't think we're there yet to have all or none, but I do think that we're going to see that in the next few years. Like I said, I think we'll have a different conversation in 3 years.
Well, it's a good way to end it with lots to think about for the future. I want to thank our guests, Carolyn Elefant, Andy Adkins, and Bob Ambrogi. And thank you for listening to the Legal Talk Network here at Legal Tech 2011. I'm Tom Miles. Have a great day.